Hello everyone. Welcome to our English learning podcast. I'm Ollie.
And I'm Sophia. We're happy you're here. Today we're talking about my job.
It's a great topic because we often ask new people, what do you do?
That's true. It's one of the first questions people ask. So, Ollie, what do you do?
I work as a graphic designer. I create logos, posters, and social media designs. I really enjoy being creative.
That sounds like an interesting job. I think it's nice when every project is different.
Exactly. That's what I like the most. Every project teaches me something new, so I never get bored.
I can understand that. I work as an English teacher, and every class is different too because every student learns in a different way.
That's true. Teaching must be very rewarding. What do you enjoy most about your job?
I love seeing my students improve. When they speak English with confidence, I feel really happy.
That's a wonderful feeling. Helping people is one of the best parts of any job.
I agree, but every job also has challenges. For example, I sometimes spend many hours preparing lessons.
I know what you mean. I also have busy days, especially when I have a deadline. A deadline is the final time to finish work.
Yes, deadlines can be stressful, but finishing work on time also feels great.
That's right. By the way, do you work from home or in a classroom?
I do both. I teach online during the week and sometimes in a classroom. What about you?
I mostly work from home. It's comfortable, and I can manage my time better.
That sounds nice. But do you ever miss working with other people?
Yes, sometimes I do. Working from home is convenient, but it can also feel a little lonely.
I completely understand. Talking with coworkers can make the day more enjoyable.
You're right. That's why I sometimes meet my friends after work.
That's a good idea. So, what do you usually do to relax?
I like playing football, watching movies, and spending time with my family. It helps me forget about work.
That sounds like a healthy routine. I enjoy reading books and listening to music after work.
Everyone needs time to relax. It helps us stay happy and motivated.
Absolutely. Before we finish, let's give our listeners one piece of advice.
My advice is simple. Work hard, keep learning, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
I love that. And my advice is to enjoy your job and never stop improving your skills.
Thank you so much for listening.
We hope you learned some useful English today.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.